Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to erase your Xbox 360. First, power on your console and navigate to the system settings from the Xbox dashboard. This is crucial for accessing the necessary menus to begin the data removal process. Ensure no game is running and you are logged out of any profiles to prevent interruptions. This initial step sets the foundation for a complete and secure data wipe, preparing your console for its next chapter, whether selling or gifting. To format your hard drive, go to Storage within System Settings. Select Hard Drive and then choose Format. You'll be prompted to enter your console's serial number, a 10-digit code found on the back of the console, to confirm. This action permanently deletes all games, apps, and saved data from the selected storage device. Be absolutely certain you wish to proceed, as this process is irreversible and will remove everything. Beyond formatting, it's wise to delete individual profiles. From System Settings, select Storage, then Profiles. Choose each profile and select Delete Profile and Items to remove all associated data. Additionally, clear your system cache by selecting Storage, highlighting any storage device, and pressing Y for device options, then clear system cache. This removes temporary files, ensuring a thorough clean of your console's memory. After completing these steps, power cycle your Xbox 360 to ensure all changes have taken effect. It's a good practice to briefly navigate through the dashboard to confirm no personal data or profiles remain. Consider giving your console a physical clean, perhaps with a soft cloth, to make it presentable. Now, your Xbox 360 is ready for its next adventure, completely free of your personal information.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.